Hello everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Selenium in PyCharm, a powerful tool that makes web automation easy and efficient. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will guide you through every step. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and type here pip Selenium. Click on this term Selenium. Here you can view the pip install Selenium. This is command for installing the Selenium in Python. Copy this command and open PyCharm in terminal. Paste this command. Write pip install Selenium. Now installing will be start. Here you can view the installing has been started. Downloading Selenium 4.24.0 version. This is the version of Selenium. After downloading this Selenium, I will show you how to verify whether this Selenium is installed in system. Selenium is a open source tool used for automating web browser. It is widely used in software testing for automating tasks that are typically done manually in a web browser, such as clicking buttons, entering text, and navigating through pages. Selenium support multiple programming languages. Now, we will verify whether the Selenium version installed in the system. Type pip show Selenium. Here you can view the version of the Selenium is 4.24.0. This is the version of Selenium. If you want to any package in a Python, you just need to type the pip install and then write the package name. You can view the installed packages by using this command pip show pip list show. Here you can view the all installed packages and the versions. Currently, we installed the Selenium versions, which is 4.24.0 has been installed in our system. Selenium for automation, cross-browser compatibility. Because Selenium supports the compatibility, you can perform the testing on multiple browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and more, allowing you to run tests across different browsers. Selenium support multiple languages. You can write the scripts in Python, Java, C#, and Ruby. Selenium is easy for use. The pip is a package manager for Python. Install you and managing additional libraries and dependency that are included in the standard Python library. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create the package in a PyCharm and write some basic script. If you like this content, please subscribe to SK World. Thanks for watching.